Hello guys, in this video we're gonna see that how you can create a logo like this. So I'm taking a circle and now we can see that we need to create a shape where the angle is 90 degree. So let's take the rectangle tool and add a rectangle here. You can see that our guides are helping us. Now what we need to do, I'm just pressing the Alt key on the keyboard and take a copy of this and pressing shift at the same time to move it without changing its directions. So I'm selecting these two, go to my pathfinder. Here it is. Now I need to cut the bottom circle from this area. Now I'm pressing minus front, so the front circle will cut down the bottom circle from this area as well. Now I'm selecting these two and merging to make a single shape. Now I'm pressing Ctrl plus C to copy this and Ctrl F to paste on front, pressing shift and rotating it. And now I'm selecting these two and aligning them from the top side. Now let's move this on the right place. Okay, here it is. Now I'm selecting these two, pressing Ctrl plus C to copy this and Ctrl F to paste them on the same place. And now I am rotating it on the 180 degree and moving these two down. Now we got the shape. Let's change the stroke color to the fill color, and we can change the angle of our gradient by moving to window gradient and changing the angle from 45 to maybe, okay, sorry, this was it, and 0 to 45 degree. Now you can see that we got our shape. If you want to create a gradient, just go to window, go to gradient. My gradient is already open, and we can change the colors by pressing the color and window color menu, and by selecting this color we can change it to any color. And after that, let's create this gradient and create another one. For example, we need to change this yellow color to a pink one, and now we can add our color to our logo, and this, for example, this and this, and we can create as many variations we want. So thanks for watching, hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel.